Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Buildium. Buildium is an amazing property management software that empowers you to do more than just manage properties. From handling tenants to organizing maintenance requests, Buildium has all the tools you need to streamline your work efficiently. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Buildium and give you an overview of the interface, and then guide you on how to get started with managing your properties, such as how to add properties and vendors. So let's dive in and get started. If you're new to Buildium, let me give you a quick overview. Buildium is a cloud-based property management platform designed to help landlords and property managers streamline their day-to-day tasks. It's packed with features for accounting, leasing, communication, and maintenance tracking, all in one place. If you manage a single property or an extensive portfolio, Buildium makes it easier to stay organized and efficient. What makes Buildium stand out is its user-friendly interface and its ability to scale with your needs. Now let me show you how you can sign up for a Buildium account. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through each step. First, head on over to buildium.com. On the homepage, you'll see a button labeled Free Trial at the center of the screen. Click on it to start the sign-up process. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you can sign up for a 14-day free trial. Fill in your first name, last name, and business email in the provided fields. Once you've entered the required details, click the Create Your Free Trial button to proceed. After that, you'll see a new page asking for more details to customize your trial. Enter your company name, phone number, number of units you manage, and the type of portfolio you handle. Then, create a secure password and check the box to accept Buildium's terms of use and privacy policy. When everything is filled in, click the Create Your Free Trial button again. Now, Buildium will start setting up your trial account. This process may take a moment. Once completed, your trial account will be ready and you can start exploring Buildium's features right away. Now, let's take a look at the Buildium account interface. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu that contains all the essential tabs to manage your properties and tasks. At the very top is the Dashboard tab. This is your starting point, where you'll see a snapshot of your account, including outstanding balances, tasks, renter's insurance status, and expiring leases. It gives you a clear view of what needs attention right away. Next is the Rentals tab. This section allows you to manage your properties and units, including tenant details and occupancy statuses. Below that, the Leasing tab helps you oversee lease agreements, track expirations, and handle renewals efficiently. The Accounting tab is where you can manage all of your financial transactions, including rent payments, expenses, and vendor bills. Following that, the Maintenance tab helps you track and manage maintenance requests from tenants, ensuring issues are resolved promptly. The Tasks tab allows you to assign, view, and track all of your tasks in one place. Then, the Communication tab is where you can send messages to tenants or vendors and keep all of your correspondence organized. In the Files tab, you can upload and store important documents related to your properties, such as lease agreements or invoices. The Reports tab provides detailed analytics and reports on your property performance, financials, and more. For a deeper dive into your data, the Analytics Hub offers advanced insights and visualization. The Add-on Services tab lets you explore additional tools and integrations to enhance your Buildium experience. Lastly, the Shortcuts section is a convenient place to add quick links to frequently used features. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find options like Help and Support for accessing resources or contacting customer service, Settings to configure your account preferences, and Account for managing your personal details and subscription. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now, let me explain why you should add a property and how to do it. Adding properties in Buildium helps you keep everything organized, from tracking rental income to handling tenant information and maintenance requests. To add a property, click on the Rentals tab in the left menu. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Properties option. This will take you to the property page where you can manage your existing properties. To add a new property, click the Add Property button. Once you click it, a form will appear where you can fill in all the necessary details to add your property. Now, let's go through the form step by step. First, choose the type of property you're adding from the drop-down menu. This could be residential or commercial property, depending on your portfolio. Next, enter the full street address of the property, including the city, state, and zip code. Additionally, select the country where the property is located. By default, it might show United States, but you can change it if needed. After this, you'll need to add the owner of the property. This information is crucial for preparing financial documents like owner draws and tax forms. To do this, add on the Add Rental Owner option and input the relevant details. Once the owner is added, you'll need to specify the operating account and option optionally the deposit trust account linked to this property. Next, you'll be asked to set a property reserve. This is the amount of money you want to keep aside as a financial buffer for the property. For example, you might decide on $500 as the reserve amount. Lastly, assign a primary manager to the property. This could be one of your staff members, and if they're not already added to the account, you can include them later. Once all the fields are filled out, click the Create Property button to finalize the process. That's it. Your new property will now be added to Buildium, and you're ready to manage it efficiently. Now let me discuss how you can add vendors in Buildium. To add vendors, start by clicking on the Maintenance tab in the left menu. From the drop-down option, select Vendors. This will take you to the vendor page where you can manage your existing vendors or add new ones. To add a new vendor, click the Add Vendor button at the top of the page. This action will take you to the Add Vendor form. Let's break down the form and how you can fill it out. First, fill in the name section by entering the first and last name of the vendor. If the vendor is a company, check the company box and enter the company name instead. Next, choose a category for the vendor from the drop-down menu. For example, this could be contractors drywall or contractor flooring, depending on the service they provide. You'll also need to assign an expense account to track payments made to the vendor. Additionally, you can input an account number if the venue has one associated with their services. In the contact information section, provide the vendor's primary email address and, if available, an alternate email. You can also add phone numbers, including mobile, work, or home, to ensure you have multiple ways to reach them. Below this, add the vendor's full street address, including the city, state, zip code, and country. If the vendor has a website, you can add the URL in the designated field. There's also a comments box where you can include any additional details about the vendor, such as specific working hours or special instructions. For tax purposes, fill out the 1099 NEC tax filing information section. Select the appropriate tax identity type, for example SSN or EIN, and enter the corresponding taxpayer ID. You can also indicate if the tax document should be sent to a different name or address. Lastly, in the insurance section, provide the vendor's insurance details, including the provider name, policy number, and expiration date. This helps ensure that your vendors meet the necessary compliance requirements. Once you've filled out all the fields, click the Create Vendor button to save the new vendor. Your vendor will now be added to Buildium, making it easier to track payments and manage their services efficiently. Buildium is a cloud-based property management platform designed to help landlords and property managers streamline their day-to-day tasks. It's packed with features for accounting, leasing, communication, and maintenance tracking, all in one place. If you manage a single property or an extensive portfolio, Buildium makes it easier to stay organized and efficient. What makes Buildium stand out is its user-friendly interface and its ability to scale with your needs. And that's it for this tutorial. Today we covered how to create an account in Buildium, walked you through the account interface, and we discussed the main features. We also talked about how to add properties and vendors in Buildium. I hope this tutorial made everything clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with Buildium, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.